Hello. This video is to serve as a game devlog. Um, I recently purchased a series of training videos and courses on Udemy, and I just completed my first game. Now, granted, it's not so much of a game, but really just kind of the first stab at coding, understanding game development. So the first game that I created is called Number Wizard. Again, I purchased these courses on Udemy. These are the courses that I'm going to be covering in the next couple of videos. They're all taught by Ben Tristram, who's shown here, and the first game that I created is called Number Wizard. To give you an idea of what the game is all about, basically you pick a number between 1 and 1,000, and then the Number Wizard will guess your number. You then select higher or lower using the up and down arrow keys. And when the Number Wizard has it correct, you select Enter to say that the number is correct. So here's a look at the scripting that I wrote. This is all in C#. So at the beginning we established integers with the minimal, with the maximum, the min, the guess, and then I added in a random number. So once you start the game, it'll say, welcome to Number Wizard, pick a number in your head, but don't tell me. The highest number you can pick is 1,000. The minimum is 1. Up arrow for higher, down arrow for lower, and enter for equals. And then as we went into it, what I did was, also notice right here, the max equals max plus 1. That made it so that rounding up would bring it to 1,000, because otherwise if you picked 1,000, the highest the Number Wizard was guessing was 999. Looking down here, here is the update for the guess and the key code returns. And then down here is the actual next guess. So the guess equals the max plus min divided by 2, so he's splitting it in half. Higher or lower, guess, up, down, higher, lower, yada, yada, yada. And there we have our game. This code, this portion here, this took a little digging on the internet, but this makes it so the Number Wizard guesses a random number so that it's not just 500, 250, 750, that kind of thing. So it gives a little bit more human feel. So in the next clip I'm going to open up Unity and I'm going to show you the game in action. Alright, so now we are in Unity. Unfortunately the game does not stand alone by itself yet. I haven't learned how to do that yet, and it lives within Unity itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit play. When I do so, the screen is going to turn red. That's just a reminder to me that I know that I'm in play mode within Unity. You're also going to see all of the instructions jump out, as well as the first number guess. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to make my example number 592. So let's hit play. So now it says, welcome to Number Wizard. Pick a number in your head, but don't tell me. The highest number you can pick is 1,000. The lowest number you can pick is 1. The highest is the number higher or lower than 523. Up arrow for higher, down arrow for lower, and enter for equals. So I'm doing 592, so I'm going to hit the up arrow for higher. The new guess, higher or lower than 762. So now I'm going to hit down, higher or lower than 642. I'm going to hit down again, higher or lower than 582. I'm going to hit up, 612, down, 597, down, 589, above, 593, below, 591, above. So then he has got the number correct. I'm going to hit enter, and the game starts over again after he says I won. And then it's going to load again, Number Wizard. So again, not a lot to it. This was my first attempt at creating a game. So we shall see how my skills improve as we move forward. Thank you.